What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today video is on putting some side markers on my G35. So it's going to be probably a short video, but yeah, I'll show you guys that and show you what I got, and yeah, get to the video. So, as you guys know, when I got this car, the side markers was missing. Well, I mean, it wasn't missing, but it was broken and all messed up, and it wasn't wired pretty good, so I broke them, pretty much ripped them off and but so I got some smoke black lights from Z1. You guys, what it looks like. As you guys know, like I said, I'm keeping it black on black. So this is the smoke style headlights or side markers. Then the amber light, it's the amber light, so it's like orange. So I got it right here because, like I said, I'll keep the car black on black. So it goes like that. I think it'll look really, really nice. So I was so mad. I'm mad at myself because when I got the car, these are the bulb sockets for the side markers. Mine, I think both of them was missing. It was wired up weird. Thought I ordered 2 of these, but nope. One came in a box. I thought maybe they just forgot to put one in. I looked at my order and nope, I had only one. So one side is gonna be working for now. I'm gonna go later on order the other one up and yeah, show you guys that when that comes in. But I'm just gonna install them, we'll install them on there still, and yeah, show you guys how to connect them and whatnot. So let's get to this video. So mine didn't come with these. Like I said, these was ripped off. This is what it is. But they had some other ones on before, I don't know, but probably cut this back off more to fit better. But I went to the junkyard and got these, so these should work. Got 2 of them right here. So I'm about to wire this side up and yeah, go from there. So I'm just gonna put it up for now, and like I said, I'm probably gonna cut it back further, but I was gonna just put it on, get it going, and see how it looks. And maybe on weekends I'll go back, shorten it, and put it back on, but with some better connectors. But yeah, so you guys know, red is for the hot side and black is the ground. So you just hook it up to like this, red on red, black on black. So again, this is how the light looks like. I'll show you when. I don't want to take this paper off yet until I have it fully on. So the connector, this, oh, I don't know, I probably said it earlier, but this is from Z1 Motorsports. That's where I got these. I'll put the link in the description where I got these. They have different kind. They have this one. They even have another one that's like black, but I didn't get that one because I think the one that's like the black housing, it was the white light, and I wanted the amber one, so that's why I got this one. So you guys already have you guys' little socket. This is the part number right here. Oh, I dropped it. Yeah, should be fine. This is the part number right here. There you go. So like I said, I got these because mine didn't come, the car didn't come with it. It was all wired up all weird and stuff like that. So that's why I got these, because they didn't have these either. Cut it from the connector. So that's why I did it like that, because I wanted to do it the right way. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the connectors on, show you guys, and get back to you guys. So that's how it looks. Like that, black with the black, brown or red. So you get your connector like this. If you guys have this on you, just simply just connector. So I do it with one hand. And there you go. Clicked, goes like that. So now you get your light. Stuff this pins like this. You just put it in. Sorry, I'm trying to do it with 2 hands. So, this the pins right here. Put it in there. I don't think it doesn't matter what way you put it in. You just put it in there. So I'm gonna do that and show you guys. There it goes. So I said earlier, I don't think it matters where it goes. Just put it where you see the wire. So you see this side, the pin. You see the red is on there. So that means the pin goes up is on this side. So just do it like that. Follow the same way of the pins are, because it makes sense, you know, they'd be flipped over and the ground would be with the power and the red with it. So I don't know, do it like that. Don't do it, don't say, skip to what I said about it doesn't matter where it goes, put it in the right spot. So now when it's like that, you put it like that. So there's an opening right here and you can see slots. You just tuck in the wires and put it in like if it's a stock. So I only got one hand, so I'll do that and I'll show you guys. There you go. There you go. There's a seal on the new one, on the new socket. So yeah, there you go. Then tuck this back into the bumper and see if it works. Yes, like I said, I know it's like that. I know in the comments gonna be like, oh, the wires are open. I'm gonna come back to this probably on the weekend. I'm just doing it to make sure everything works. Because I'm gonna cut the wire back because you know it's long, so I want to shorten it to like pretty much how it is stock. I'm just doing this to mock it up and make sure everything works. So that's how you guys do it. So now you just put the light in. So I'm gonna tuck the wires in and show you when the light's in. So just like that, it's in. So now you take off and there you go. It goes like that. So, hey, what's up, man? So I've seen put this side in first, then press down on this and it'll click in and it'll be good. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna do the other side real quick and get back to you guys when I'm done. All right, there you go. That's what it looks like. It looks good, but once I get the bumper sanded down and painted, it'll even look better. Yeah, so I'm pretty good. This side is on. So just make sure when you put it on, make sure you put it in the latches and pop them in. When I put this one, it popped out, but I think because I didn't have it in, but when I move it, it's on. So make sure this is on pretty good because you don't want to be falling out while you're driving. So I'm gonna turn lights on and show you guys if it works or not. There you go. So it looks like when it's on. The other side, like I said, the other one not on. I need to get the other side, but that's what it looks like. Nice and bright. Looks good. You got the headlights on. Spec D. Yeah. I like it. It's big. That's how you guys install your side markers. That's how you put them on. So again, like I said, I'm gonna order the other socket, and then once I get that in, put it on, I'll show you guys when they both on. Show you guys that. Oh, yeah, it looks good. How bright it is. I like it.